Yo folks, Brandon Chapin here, BrandonChapin.net, CrossFitReaction.com. Going to give you a tour of the gym, show you all the luxury items and all the stuff we have here. So we're walking up here, as you can see, CrossFit painted on the roll-up door. We got the old school CrossFit HQ pull-up bar. Just something you gotta have. If you got a roll-up door, it was some ungodly amount of money to have installed because you gotta weld it up there. But yeah, I paid way more than I should have, but it was worth every penny because just something I remember going to CrossFit website years and years ago, I guess like 3 or 4 years ago, and that was what they had, and I thought seeing Annie and Greg Amundsen doing pull-ups on that was just what I thought it was. So we got our racks over here. Also have the Rogue SPX rack over here, a ton of bumpers. And you know, for the big boys, we had to get some metal plates. For the guys deadlifting over 400, you gotta have it. Dumbbells, kind of got that dumbbell rack. That, of all places, Goodwill. More dumbbells, a ton of kettlebells, both sport kettlebells and competition kettlebells. Something that just is really cool, although a lot of people don't use them because they're just not strong enough to really use them in workouts. Are those Atlas stones, but cool. We got this pretty sweet pull-up rig that we made. You know, just like that. File cabinet for all the important logbooks and paperwork, waivers, and what have you. Plyo boxes, a chair, a bunch of med balls, some rowers, the kegs, GHDs, computer over there to check in clients. Look, we got a hoop out there to ball it up. The bathroom. Got pictures up in there. Leaderboard, but here we're going up to the MVP suite. We are lucky enough to have one shower in here. We got 2 bathrooms. 1 shower, 1 bathroom. There it is, folks. The lounge. We got some books. Everybody, you listen, you just got to get information. You just got to get books on what you're doing. That's the key. I kind of have a thing for bikes, as you can tell, and I store a ton of junk here that I probably need to get rid of. But here we go. The office, kind of a cluster of supplements and bars and food. But the thing everybody wants to see, you know, what's in the fridge. So we're going to start out with the freezer. What do we got? Some ice cups, some mahi strawberries, and what do we got in here? Looks like, what we got? Some water, some Gatorade, 1 Yingling, and you know, folks, we do have not Cristal, but Cook's, another fine brand of champagne, extra dry. Had this for sectionals. When I qualified, I was going to, actually, I think when I won, that was the plan, right, to win. When I won the event, the North Carolina, South Carolina sectionals, I was going to, you know, drink it and celebrate. Didn't happen. Missed qualifying and winning by 20 places. But, nonetheless, it's on ice. Waiting for next year, so hopefully we can bust that out. But yeah, check back in. This is a quick tour. As you see, this is state-of-the-art facility, air conditioning up here in this part of the building. But yeah, check back in. If you have any comments or you want to see some other tours of some other parts of the gym, let me know. This is a quick overview because the battery's dying, but yeah, just get in there, train hard, and I'll talk to y'all soon.